Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a delicious callaloo bean and saltfish. Okay, so first I already cooked my callaloo right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour a little cooking oil. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning. This is my garlic, my tomatoes, onion, scallion. Okay, so let's go for a little bit. Mix all together. Then I'm gonna add my saltfish. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my baked beans. So we're gonna stir this all together. Then we're gonna add just a little seasoning, that much. A little black pepper. And always remember, when you cook the saltfish, you gotta leave enough salt in there so you don't have to put any salt in. So that's very important. Okay, so now this go for a while. And you can have this with rice or whatever you choose to. It's very delicious. So I'm just gonna cover it for a bit. Now let's see for a little while. This is our delicious callaloo with beans and saltfish. Okay, I know all the vegetarians will love this dish. Okay. So I think it's done now, so I'm gonna have a taste. So this is our delicious callaloo with saltfish and baked beans. Okay, so I'm gonna have a taste. Delicious. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.